Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on do not disturb in Samsung. So let us start our video. Move on the setting icon first. After that you will see many options. Scroll up some more, and here you will see many options. You have to click on the sound and notification option. Here you will see click on that. After that scroll up, and here you will see do not disturb option. Click on that, and here you will see our do not disturb, which is already off. So if you want to turn on do not disturb, so click on the enable now option, and here you will see our do not disturb will be on. When your do not disturb will be on, your device is set to mute all the calls and alerts except for your selected exceptions, and here you will select your exceptions from here. After that click on the back option. So I hope this video helps you to on do not disturb in your mobile phone. If this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.